Can you say these actions in English? Can you say these actions in English? I enter the kitchen. I enter the kitchen.
I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I cut an apple. I cut an apple. I stir the soup. I stir the soup. I take a bite. I take a bite.
I chew my food. I chew my food.
I pour some juice. I pour some juice.
I drink milk. I drink milk.
I carry a tray. I carry a tray.
I clear the table. I clear the table. I dry the dishes. I dry the dishes. I mop the floor. I mop the floor. I wash the plate. I wash the plate.
I wash the cup. I wash the cup.
I wash the spoon. I wash the spoon. I close the jar. I close the jar.
I open the jar. I open the jar.
I fill the bottle. I fill the bottle.
I pour the milk. I pour the milk. I peel a banana. I peel a banana.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to Easy Action. Thank you.